Good afternoon and welcome to Nursing 200. My name is Dee Lougheed and I will be your instructor for this online course. If you go to your content area and hit on that, you'll see the tab that introduces your instructor. My contact information is right below my brief bio, and there is a link to you can book me if you prefer to make an appointment. Going back to the content and going underneath the Meet Your Instructor tab, you will see the tab for the syllabus. Clicking on that, you will see the Nursing 200, Nursing Concepts 3 course syllabus. Please take the time to read through this because it includes all of the MPOs that you will be measured on. There's also an area in the syllabus that talks about our evaluation criteria and the policies and how your exams and quizzes add up to your total grade. Underneath the syllabus, there is a short course orientation video with a PowerPoint accompanying it, welcoming you to NUR 200. Clicking on the first module, which will be week 1, there is a lesson plan. And in the lesson plan, it will have your assignment for the week. Underneath the lesson plan, there is the Pass the Class, which is the document that after you do your required reading, you should fill out and have ready for discussion board discussions. I included a short YouTube video on irritable bowel disease. It's supplemental material to explain the content from a different point of view. And then the clinical reasoning tool, which is also one of the evaluations you will be graded on for module 1. The second module, which is week number 2, again includes a lesson plan and it has your readings in it. So let's click on that. There's also a mobility Pass the Class. Again, when you have finished your readings, this is a short document that you want to fill out in preparation for your discussion board. The clinical reasoning tool, again, is another tool that we use to evaluate your knowledge of the content, and that is right here. And then I have a short mobility quiz, which you can take, and there are dates that it starts and ends. It is 15 questions. Make sure that once you open it that you complete it, because it will not let you go back and do it again. And if you try to open it after the due date, it will not allow you to take it. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything you need clarification on, again, go to your module 0, Getting Started. You can hit your instructor and use the contact information to contact me. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you this semester.